Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where we dive into the wonderful world of stitching and creating incredible garments for both male and female. My name is Bolaji, and if you are new here, this is Regi School of Fashion. In today's tutorial, I will be walking you through the process of sewing a fantastic suit trouser with a lining, a side pocket, a fly front zipper, and a perfectly aligned belt hose. Kindly subscribe now and join our vibrant community of trendsetters. Also, remember to keep watching hearts on my videos as usual, because that is one of the ways I get rewarded here for my hard work. Are you guys ready to design your dreams? Let's dive in and create something extraordinary. In constructing a suit trouser, I have the front and the back panels of my trousers cut out, and this is what I have for the front panel, 2 pieces, and I have 2 pieces for the back panel as well. In case you don't know how to draft and cut a male corporate trouser, I have a well-detailed tutorial on that already. Okay, so kindly check the description area below for the link to the video. Also, if you would love to learn how to make a suit jacket, I have a well-detailed tutorial on that too. The video is in series which has over 10 episodes. So the videos are on a playlist, and the playlist has been linked up in the description area below. Kindly check those videos out after watching this particular one. In constructing a suit trousers with lining, the first step is to attach the pocket. Okay, the pockets will be attached on the front panels, so which I have here. So here is my pocket opening which I ironed inward. Okay, if you don't know how to attach a side pocket on a corporate trousers, kindly check the description area below for the link to the tutorial. So I've made a tutorial on that which is very detailed and informative. Once you watch that video, you will learn how to attach the slant side pocket. So I will be doing this off the camera, and I will be back to show you the next step. Okay guys, now I have the pocket constructed, as you can see, and this is what I have for my pocket. So this is a side slant pocket. So here is the pocket opening, so this is the pocket facing, and this is the pocket bag. So guys, I have my pocket constructed on the 2 pieces I have for the front panel. So this is the second one, and this is the first one. Okay, so now that I have this done, the next step is to attach the lining. So here is a lining I cut behind the camera, so there's no big deal in cutting this out. I used the front panel to cut out the lining. Okay, so I position my front panel like so, and I cut it out the exact way I have it. So you can cut out your lining before constructing your pocket or after constructing your pocket. They both mean the same. So I place my front panel on my lining. So this is a suit lining. Make sure you make use of a very quality lining. So this is a suit lining. I position my front panel on it like so, and I cut it out the exact way I have it on my front panel. Okay, and I took it downward from the crotch point about 7 inches. So here is a crotch point. So from the crotch point downward, I have about 9 inches. So you can see what I have. So this depends on the length of the lining you are using. Okay, but you must make sure your lining is below the crotch point, at least 7 inches below the crotch point. So here is the crotch point, and I took this downward below like 9 inches, but your lining must not get to the knee point. So I cut out the 2 pieces at the same time, and this is what I have. So this is the wrong side of my lining, and this is the right side of my lining. So now I'm marking the wrong side of my lining like so. So you can see what I have. So now it's time to join the lining and the main fabrics together. So the positioning is going to be the wrong side facing the wrong side, purposely because the right side of the lining must be showing inside the trousers. So this is what I have for the lower part of my lining. So for the lining, the edges I have here is the part that come with the lining. But if you've cut out this part, make sure you overlock the edges of the lower part of your lining, or you tape the edges. You fold it inward, then you tape it so that the lower parts of the lining will not fray off. So now that I have this properly aligned, then I will take this to my sewing machine and I will stitch all around. Okay, so I will stitch on the waistline, I will stitch by the side, I will stitch on the crotch curve, and I will stitch on the inseam, but I'm not stitching on the lower part of the lining. Okay guys, now I will be joining the lining and the main fabrics together, and I will be stitching with 1/4 of an inch out of 1/2 of an inch of seam allowance I have for the front panel. So I'm taking 1/4 of an inch from that, so after which I will use the remaining 1/4 of an inch in joining the front and the back panels together. Okay guys, now I'm done stitching the lining and the fabrics together, and this is what I have after stitching. Okay, so guys, when you are doing this, make sure the pocket bag is laying flat and your lining is properly relaxed on the fabrics, just like mine. You can see what I have. The lining is properly relaxed and my pocket bag is laying flat inside. So the pocket bag is in between the main fabrics and the lining, and I have my pocket here, so the pocket is not closed. Okay, now that I have this done, the next step is to attach the zipper. In attaching the zipper, I have my zipper here and I have the pieces I will be using in constructing the zipper. So I have this on fold and I have this as a single piece. So the measurement I used in cutting this out is 2.5 inches by 8 inches. So why I have this also 2.5 inches by 8 inches on fold. So which means if I open this up, I will have it as 5 inches. So I will take this to my sewing machine now and I will attach a front fly zipper. If you are attaching this either for a male or female trousers, it is the same method. In case you don't know how to attach a front fly zipper, I have a well-detailed tutorial which I explained into details step by step on how to attach a front fly zipper on the trousers. Kindly check the description area below for the links to the tutorial. So I will be taking this to my sewing machine and I will construct a front fly zipper on my trousers. Okay guys, now I have the front fly zipper fixed, as you can see. So this is what I have after attaching my zipper. So you can see the inside. This is a flap and this is a single flap. So you can see I have double flaps here, the single flap and the double flap, and here is the zipper. So far so good guys. In this tutorial we've covered the construction of the slant side pocket. We joined the lining together with the fabrics and we fixed our front fly zipper. So guys, you can see that the front panel is ready, and the next step is to construct the back panel, which I will be covering in the next video.